Okay, before we get to the serial port, let's do a little cleanup on our project. So these are the directories that we have so far. We have a bunch of project directories. We have a Claude file, a README file, and a docs file. So I'm going to go back into Claude. Can you scan this directory and take our project files and stick them in an src directory? And I don't want that capitalized. Let's do this. Okay. All right, so it's going to go through and look through this. All right, which is great. It created that. It asked me if I wanted to move everything around, so it's going to create that and move everything inside of the source directory. All right, now give us a little tree here. I am a lazy Unix programmer and don't like to type capital letters. Can you lowercase all the letters on the project directory? I know. It's ridiculous, isn't it? All right, now we're happy. Okay, let's see what we got. All right, this directory here. All right, it's in source. Okay, everything's lowercase. Okay, let's let's move on to a serial port. Thanks for watching.